Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Hugo and today I'd like to show you the Adobe Free Collection and the potential results I can get from that. Now I think you all had a notification in your Adobe Stock dashboard where they said you have assets to be nominated, and they talk about images for now. They show the number of images they nominated and how much you can potentially earn. So this year they have something new. They do this yearly. You can have it for 1 year, or you can have it free for all time. And for 1 year you get $4 per asset, and for a longer time you get $10 per asset. So in this video I will show you my nomination, my portfolio size, historic results, and the potential earnings. And if you didn't see my channel before, I mainly use drones nowadays, and this is a selection of the drones I flew or fly with the latest edition, the Mavic 4 Pro, and I sold last week the Mavic 3. And this one, the DJI Avata 2, I lost 2 of them already. One in Germany, and one I lost on a parking lot, unfortunately. And I built drones myself, FPV drones as well. But I don't think FPV drones can match the DJI drones in some factors, usability. I think DJI products are really good. Now, for me, they nominated 433 assets, and that can give me a potential earning of $4,320 if I select them all for the Forever Free Collection. And if I select them for 1 year free collection, I can get $1,728. I think they do this, on the long term it can be profitable for them. But on the short term, as a contributor, we can make some money. So let's look at my position as a contributor. I make about this year I already made $4,700. Last year I made $10,000 on Adobe Stock. The year before $5,500, and before that almost $4,000. So I increased my income each year, and last year from 23 to 24 I almost doubled it. And this year it's still ongoing, of course. So we have to wait and see what the outcome will be. Normally you would see things like the free collection or the Firefly bonus. It's AI training. At the end of the year or during the year you get an extra increase. So I think the better months are still to come. As it's already a very good year. We're not even halfway at the year, and I'm almost already at half of this. So I grow my portfolio, so I think I will increase my earnings as well. Now the number of files I have is mainly videos, 9,200 video files per 24th of May. I have 6,000 illustrations. These are mainly from the past, from many years ago when I did illustrations. And I have aerial photos, but only a small amount I upload compared to videos, as videos make me the most money. And I still have some factors from the past as well. So that brings a total of 17,000 files. This year, here you see my number of downloads and income. And this is the total amount I made on Adobe Stock since I became a contributor. And this was, I believe, even 2012. And at the beginning it went very slow, and the last years pretty quick, as I used drones, started uploading seriously, the increase of earnings you see as well. So this is what I make about weekly nowadays. It's around $300 to $200 per week. And here you see the daily income. So $75 sometimes a bit less. For example, in the weekend, usually the sales are lower. You see that pattern in the results as well. And here on the left, you see some of my bestsellers. So So wind turbines, data centers sell really well. FPV videos here we see as well. And this is a wastewater treatment plant. Solar panels, petrochemical silos. So these things sell well for me at Adobe Stock. Now I want to show you the free collection from 2024. Then they did a similar thing but with videos, and then they selected a major amount of my videos and they would give $8 per selected video. Now they selected 4,467 and that could make me $35,000 of income. Now I nominated 98%. I said, okay, you can have these files, and then I would potentially could make $35,000. Now at the end of the day, they selected only 0.77%, so that's 34 videos, and that made me $270. So you see a big amount from I can make this amount of money, but in the end they only selected less than 1%. Now my experience that with photos they select a lot more, or they eventually accept in their collection a lot more. So usually about 5 to 10% is my experience. Now back then my portfolio was a lot smaller, so I had 6,900 video files, and now I have 2,300 more. And also, this collection is of course about videos. So I think if they would do it again, there's a probability that they would select more videos, so more potential as well. This is the video collection, and now we're talking about images. So I already took part in the free collection before. Then they did like a yearly selection. And then what I made, as you can see here, last year I had $200 plus 25 plus 8. So I had about $233 I earned. And then I had a portfolio size of 1,500 photos. I'm not sure how much they nominated, but I think they selected in the end about 5 to 10%. So you can calculate. And now I have 80 files in the free collection of Adobe, and these are mainly illustrations, some aerial photos, but mainly from my illustration, as that's the larger part of my portfolio. Now this year they made a selection of 433 files. I selected 430 for the 1 year collection, so almost everything they can have. And for the all time, I took out 8 files. So the potential is for me then $4,240 for the all time collection. And if they select them for 1 year, I can make $1,700. Now, if they take 5% of this selection of my selection, then I will make $86, and if they will take 10%, I will make $172. Now if they take them in the forever free collection, I can make $212 if they take 5%, and $425 if they take 10%. Now we have to wait and see what they're gonna do. If they take about 10%, this is what I will make. It's a nice extra. And I believe, they can have them. I like the money. I can make the images again. So it's just a nice extra income for me. Now let's look at my portfolio dashboard and see what they selected. Okay, so here we have my Adobe dashboard. Now here you all have the sign, as you can all see probably. And I selected the free collection, and of course this is sorted on download, so these files are downloaded quite a lot. This one was 32 times, and then I said from now I want to keep it because I think this will make me more money if I keep it myself. So some of the top files I deselected for the permanent collection, but they can have it for 1 year. And these are the files, so they did quite a broad selection. mainly aerial videos. So industrial sites, infrastructure, ports, transport businesses, data center here, cars, also some illustrations, and so on and so on. So at the lower part we see, now I only got it downloaded 3 times. So if I get $4 or $10 for it, I'm pretty happy, I think. So many of this, they selected, and here you can see the topics as well. So it's 5 pages of files. Okay, so we have to wait and see. You have up to the 2nd of June to select what you want to give away or give them away for a year. And after that, the results will follow. I will show you how much they take, and I keep a progress of each year how much they take. And last year it was 5 to 10%, as I say. So we can make a little bit of a prediction what I'm gonna make. Let's keep track of it, and I'm curious to see your results as well. And if you like this video, please subscribe to join me on my Microstock journey, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.